PSP foam sheet is a new type packing material with the features of shockproof, sound insulation, heat preservation, damp-proof, safety, sanitation, and good plasticity. It is used widely in the packing of food, fruit, electronic product, commodity, daily necessities, hardware, product, advertisement board, etc. The machine applies to raw materials of polystyrene foam, does not apply to other plastic foam materials, successfully with main features of high automation, high technical content, and high output per unit time. Meanwhile, it also owns the features of advanced technology, reasonable design, convenient operating maintenance, small floor space, energy saving and pollution free, and so on. Die series of fully auto vacuum forming and cutting machine designed by our company is all-powerful thermoforming machine. The main way is vacuum forming as well as press forming and synthetical forming. The cutting and forming is on the same driven system. It will own high precision and accurate cutting size. We produce PSP fast food box, plate machine, eat machine, disposable foam cup making machine, and so on. Our machines have exported to Jordan, Poland, Iran, Brazil. The PS foam food container complete line mainly has three main machines. PS foam sheet extruder. Make PS foam sheet model PS 105到120, capacity is 100到180千克. H. Fully auto forming and cutting machine. Form PS foam rolls to different foam food container, box, bowl tray, and so on. Just change the molds. Plastic recycle machine. Plastic recycle machine. Recycle waste to granules for making PS foam rolls.